Quick fact. Do you know what the first alarm clock looked like? The history of the first alarm clock begins with the water clock, which replaced the sun and fire clocks 2,500 years ago. The water clock was called Clepsydra and was a vessel with a hole in the bottom and divisions on the walls, along which you can monitor the drop in water level. The vessel was made of metal, clay, or glass, filled with water, which flowed out slowly, drop by drop, lowering the water level, and the divisions on the vessel determined what time it was. The name Clepsydra in Greek means the kidnapper, and from this water clock came the expression, the passage of time. Based on Clepsydra, 400 years BC, the ancient Greek philosopher Plato invented the first alarm clock. The philosopher needed an alarm clock to call his students to class early in the morning. Plato's alarm clock consisted of two chambers with adjustable water levels. When the calculated amount of water accumulated in one of the chambers, it flowed into the other chamber, displacing the air, which rushed through the tube to the attached flute. Under the influence of air, the flute begins to sound, and Plato's students knew that it was time to rush to class.